Hello student, welcome back in Krishna classes. Today I am going to tell about the next topic of the chapter 2 of the class 11th. So what is the today's topic? Today's topic is the atomic number. Atomic number. Atomic number and mass number. So what is the today's topic? Today's topic is atomic number and mass number. And name of the chapter is structure of atom. You know very well the name of the chapter is structure of atom. So what is the atomic number? You know very well, proton is present inside the nucleus. Due to proton, the positive charge present in atom. Okay, so what is the atomic number? Atomic number is equal to number of proton present in nucleus. Atomic number is equal to number of proton present in nucleus. Proton always present in nucleus na, that's why I am saying number of proton present in nucleus. So due to the proton positive charge present in nucleus or positive charge present on atom, so for the neutralizing the atom, equal number of electrons also present in any atom. So here number of proton present in nucleus, this is called the atomic number, is equal to also number of electron. Okay, so both are equal. It means how many number of proton present in any atom, same number of electron present in that atom. Okay, so this is called the atomic number. And what is the mass number? Mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Neutron is also present in the nucleus. So atomic number represented by Z, capital Z. Okay, and mass number represented by capital A. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand this topic very well. What is the atomic number and mass number? Atomic number is number of proton present in nucleus represented by Z, and how many numbers of proton present? Same number of electron present in same atom. So number of proton is equal to number of electron. Mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand this topic very well. My name is Surbhi. Thank you so much for the watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Krishna Classes. Thank you.